In the short term, over the last 1 month, IXHL has been strongly bullish. Look at this, 679.53%. This is what it has gained, even though it is negative on over the last 6 months, over the last 1 year. But the underlying trend has just gone bullish now. No more bearish, just neutralized. Now neutral, if not even bullish. So yeah, the stock continued to print well. It was, I think, this trend began on the 14th of on the 15th of July and has just not looked back. Not has not looked back, but it's down now. Today, the 25th of July, Friday, the 25th of July, down 42.36%. Intraday high it printed was 1.73 yesterday as well, and yeah, as you can see, you probably imagine the company is offering stocks up to $100 million, taking advantage of the pump to raise funds. Yeah, taking advantage of the pump to raise funds. It has been around long enough. You can see it has extrapolations, not enough data for the extrapolations. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart to see what's going on. Yeah, as things stand right now, the extrapolation is that lower prices will continue to print up till the end of today's trading session. And then after that, we might see a bounce that will probably lead to a further consolidation going all the way towards Tuesday, the 5th of July. No guarantee that that will be the case. We have nothing to the upside, down projection of 0.2784. Because of this rejection at 1.73, we can also call this an upper projection. It's a target. It's a target since it couldn't surpass it. Then it can't be forgotten. It is a price it has to prove that it has the grounds. It has enough reason to go beyond that. So yeah, and indeed, some other prices here we can't really determine. But one way we can determine is if we apply the market grid. But before we do that, let's see what's going on. Things have since changed now. I think. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at this. This stock has declined 42%. Can't you see that? You can see that, right? 43.25%. But the price pressure momentum indicators are saying that yeah, it has lost 43%, but the buying pressure is still there, or rather the selling pressure hasn't neutralized the buying pressure. So it's a mix of things. It's selling pressure, short selling, as the case may be, is going on, but buying is equally going on. Or the positions that were opened long are so much that the selling pressure is not even doing much. The selling pressure hasn't done much. There isn't even any negative derivative. They are in very strong double digits, very strong double digits. You can see that 43.334, 53.295, 51.6, 51.4679, 48.3569. Very strong figures. Obviously the pressure will affect the fastest of the moving averages, which is the 10 period moving average. You can see it's at 6.616, and then the 21 period moving average is at 28.4610. So the selling pressure is there, but it hasn't dented anything, hasn't done any damage. The stock is the These moving averages are still in trend mode. You can clearly see graphically, yes, it's deepened down, but it's not about for these indicators. It's not only what you see graphically, it is also what you see numerically. Yeah, you can see that. So they're still in a strong trend mode. Yes, selling surely, without any doubt, we can clearly see that is at play, but it is in the midst of buying as well, in the midst of enormous positions that have been opened prior to now. So upper projections will be 1.73. This was rejected. It's one of them. And let's see now whether we can get more from the daily chart. Let's see what we have here. 0.3460. We have here 1.76. I think we have that already. That's what we have here. 1.7, 1.73. Well, pretty much the same thing. Let's slide sideways to see if we can find anything. 1.52 is a downward projection. 1.8, 1.99. These were as far back as February of this year. Nothing really that fantastic as such. 1.8, 1.92, 1.99. I think we may have more here. 1.8. Okay, from the least 1.55, 1.65, 1.81, 2.13, 2.31, 2.43. I think those are quite modest. Those are quite modest. So the stock is down now. The algos are suggesting that it will, especially based on the 4 hour chart, that it's likely to continue to print. The whole of today's trading session will be a down day for the stock, and then after that, the upside may resume. But let's even see what we've not even had a look to see what's going on with the stock. It's just the funding it's looking to get, and outside that, really, we've not seen any other thing. And then we've not seen any other thing. Let's see. Incannex achieves a key milestone with database lock for reposter. This was as of the 18th of June. Yeah, let's see. Okay, no fresh news as such, really though. But yeah, just have a look, and we've seen projections all the way towards $2 or thereabout. No guarantee that those will print. Okay, so let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video. But before we go, let's have a look and see how liquid this market. It looks liquid. Okay, you see that, and that the good thing about liquidity is that it can also offer some stability. It can also offer some stability. This is relative to others, um, relative to some other shares, relative to some other markets. This is quite decent. 26, 25, 14. For other stocks, you may just see single digits, sometimes one, 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 one. So relatively stable, relatively stable. Okay, so we'll see how things go. Thank you very much.